Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man, MKBHD here. Want to make some extra cash? Like an extra $100 a month? YouTube is where it's at. Seriously, you can share your passions, teach people stuff, make them laugh, all while earning some dough, and the best part? You don't need fancy cameras or editing software. Your phone and a whole lot of enthusiasm are enough to get started. Let's do this. We're talking about creating content, people. Whether it's gaming, cooking, makeup tutorials, or just sharing your thoughts on the latest gadgets, there's an audience out there waiting for your unique voice. It's all about finding your niche, being yourself, and having fun with it. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly, engage with your viewers, and watch your channel grow. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up your channel, creating awesome content, and building a community around your passion. We'll break it down step by step using simple tools and techniques so you can start earning that sweet, sweet YouTube money. Let's go. First impressions matter, right? So let's make your YouTube channel pop. We're talking about creating a visually appealing and branded experience that screams you. And guess what? You don't need to be a design guru to do it. Canva, my friend, is here to save the day. Canva is like a magical design tool, even for beginners. It's got tons of free templates for your channel art, that big banner at the top, and thumbnails, the eye-catching images for your videos. Just choose a template, customize the colors, fonts, and images to match your style, and boom, you've got yourself a professional-looking channel. Now, let's talk branding. Think of your channel like a cool brand like Nike or Supreme, but, you know, you need a logo. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just something that represents your channel and is easy to recognize. You can design one yourself using Canva, or grab a free icon from a website like Flaticon. Once you have your logo, slap it on your channel art and thumbnails for that consistent branded look. Alright, time to film your first video. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment. Your phone's camera is more than capable of capturing high-quality footage. Just find a well-lit spot, make sure your phone is stable, use a tripod or prop it up against something, and hit record. For recording your screen, like if you're doing a tutorial or gaming video, OBS Studio is your new best friend. It's a free and powerful screen recording software that lets you capture your screen, webcam footage, and audio all at once. Plus, you can add cool effects and transitions to make your videos more dynamic. Now, let's talk content. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Share that with the world. Keep your videos concise, engaging, and to the point. People's attention spans are short, so hook them from the beginning with an attention-grabbing intro and deliver valuable content that keeps them watching till the end. Don't forget to add a call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe, like, and comment. Engagement is key on YouTube. Section 4. Editing like a pro without spending like one. Editing might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems, especially with CapCut, a free mobile and desktop video editing app that's perfect for beginners. It's got an intuitive interface, drag-and-drop functionality, and all the essential tools you need to cut, trim, add music, text, effects, and more. First things first, trim out any dead air or mistakes. You want your video to be concise and engaging. Next, add some music to set the mood and make it more dynamic. CapCut has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects you can use, or you can import your own. You can also add text overlays for titles, subtitles, and callouts. Just keep it clean and easy to read. Once you're happy with your edit, it's time to export and upload. Choose the right resolution and file format for YouTube. 1080p MP4 is usually a safe bet, and make sure your video meets YouTube's video length and size guidelines. Write a catchy title, description, and tags that accurately reflect your video's content and help people find it. Section 5. You got this. So, you've got the knowledge, the tools, and the passion. What are you waiting for? Hit that record button and start creating. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly, engage with your viewers, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Just start, put yourself out there, and have fun with it. Your journey to YouTube success and that extra $100 a month begins now. Peace out.